Introducing the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, an indispensable companion for pet owners and anyone seeking pristine carpets. This powerhouse of a cleaner goes beyond mere surface cleaning to tackle deep, set-in stains and renew your carpets for a complete home transformation. Let's dive into why the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner deserves a prime spot in your cleaning arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner machine into your home. Powerful deep cleaning. With 5 counter-rotating SpinScrub brushes, this carpet cleaner is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to tackling stubborn pet stains and embedded dirt. These brushes work at multiple angles to loosen, lift, and remove even the toughest stains, leaving your carpets refreshed and renewed. Faster drying with heat force. Say goodbye to soggy carpets with heat force faster drying technology. Combined with the power of SpinScrub brushes, heat force ensures that your carpets dry quickly and evenly, so you can get back to enjoying your clean home without the weight. Versatile tools for deep cleaning. The Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner comes with a range of versatile tools to tackle messes beyond your carpets. Whether it's stubborn pet messes or upholstery stains, the pet tool and upholstery tool have you covered, ensuring a thorough clean from floor to ceiling. Pet performance. Designed with pet owners in mind, this carpet cleaner combines powerful suction and scrubbing brushes with Hoover's Oxy Pet Cleaning Solution for superior stain removal. Say goodbye to pet odors and stains and hello to fresh, clean carpets that look and smell great. TruMax Tank Technology. With Hoover's patented TruMax recovery tank technology, you can clean from room to room without constantly stopping to empty the dirty water tank. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning power and efficiency, so you can tackle your entire home with ease. Convenient features for quick cleaning. The Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner also features convenient quick clean mode for refreshing smaller areas, auto mix for precise solution dispensing, and an array of included accessories for a comprehensive cleaning experience. Elevate your cleaning game with Hoover PowerScrub XL. In conclusion, the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner is a game changer for anyone seeking a deep, thorough clean for their carpets. With its powerful cleaning performance, faster drying time, versatile tools, pet-friendly design, TruMax tank technology, and convenient features, it's the ultimate solution for maintaining a clean and fresh home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.